I have a hack that will have you quickly and easily removing difficult labels off of just about anything. Glass, wood, paper, and those cute little stickers your kiddos like to decorate your walls with without using any chemicals, and all you need is one thing, a blow dryer. Set your blow dryer on the highest heat setting. Direct the heat of the blow dryer over the sticker until you feel the adhesive soften underneath the sticker, and then you can easily pull it off from the item that the sticker is stuck to. And just like that, the labels are removed quickly and easily with no chemicals. I hope this tip helps.